heat energy is incident on the surface at the rate of 100 joule per minute. Amount of radiant heat which is incident on the surface, it is 1000 joule per minute. 1000 joule per minute. If the coefficient of absorption small a 0.8 and coefficient of reflection R is equal to 0.1, then the heat energy transmitted by the surface in 5 minutes. Heat energy transmitted. Now heat energy transmitted. Now heat energy transmitted QT in what? In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, that we have to find out. Now we know very well that coefficient of absorption plus coefficient of reflection plus coefficient of transmission is equal to 1. Coefficient of absorption is 0.8, coefficient of reflection is 0.1 plus coefficient of transmission T is equal to 1, or T is equal to 1 minus of, see here, 0.8 plus 0.1, 0.9. So 1 minus 0.9, it means it is 0.1. So coefficient of transmission, which is equal to amount of heat energy transmitted to that of amount of radiant energy incident on the body. Therefore, heat energy transmitted per unit time, heat energy transmitted per unit time or per minute, heat energy transmitted per minute is equal to QT, and that QT is equal to Q multiplied by this coefficient of transmission T. What is the amount of Q? Here QT is equal to, Q represent 1000 joule per minute multiplied by coefficient of transmission is 0.1. So 1000 into 0.1, it means 100 joule of energy is transmitted in every 1 minute. But we have to find out the amount of heat energy transmitted by surface in 5 minutes. In 1 minute, 100 joule energy is transmitted. See here, 1000 multiplied by 0.1 means it is 100 joule. So in 1 minute, 100 joule of energy is transmitted. Therefore, heat energy transmitted in 5 minutes, heat energy transmitted in 5 minutes, heat energy transmitted in 5 minutes is equal to, what you can say, in 1 minute 100 joule. So in 5 minutes it is 100 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 500 joule. 500 joule of heat energy is transmitted in every 1 minute. So out of 4 options, option B is the correct option for this question.